So this morning we're going to do a pulled banana skin sandwich for vegans. Very quick and simple. The recipe originates from Venezuela. You need to get a banana that is ripe but not overripe. And the first thing we need to do is just scrape the inside of the skin, just taking all the excess banana off as finely as we can. Slice it. You can use a fork to shred it. So you don't want to use bananas that are really ripe because they'll go to mush when you start frying them. So to the shredded banana skin, we're just going to add half a teaspoon of smoked paprika, quarter teaspoon of chili, and a teaspoon of cumin powder, a little bit of olive oil, and just mix it all together. We can add onion powder, garlic powder. The idea is to get a flavour of pulled pork. So there we have our marinated banana skins. We just let that marinate for 5 minutes now while we make a barbecue sauce. So for a quick barbecue sauce, we've got tomato ketchup, about 2 tablespoons. A dessert spoon of agave syrup, and about a teaspoon and a half of curry powder. And we just mix that together. And there's a very, very quick barbecue sauce for you. So to go on top of the banana, we're just going to make a quick Asian coleslaw. So I've got shredded cabbage, shredded carrot, a little bit of spring onion at the ends of the spring onions that generally get thrown away, and a couple of onion seeds. So to make the dressing, I've got a little bit of ginger there, a bit of pickled ginger. You can use normal ginger, a little bit of garlic, a little bit of chili. I've got some rice wine vinegar and a touch of lemon juice. So to make the sandwich, we've just got the bananas in a pan, and depending on the ripeness of your banana, it'll probably take 3 or 4 minutes just to cook down. So we want it over a medium heat. If it starts going a little dry, just a touch of water in there. So there's our banana, nicely cooked. We just want a couple of spoons of the barbecue sauce. And to make the sandwich, a little bit of rocket. We'll just dress the coleslaw. So the pulled banana, just do the coleslaw, and there we have our pulled barbecue banana skin Asian coleslaw.